Hello, people. So it's a Sunday, and officially this whole Christmas and New Year weekend has come to an end. So it's Sundays for me are yeah, they are a bit tough, but no. Today I just want to be in a very happy frame because it's practically the first Sunday of the year of 2021. So really, people, I've been as always I've been doing a lot of reading. So there is this one book called Reincarnation by Chris and Just Godley. Now I just have to say this, that in this book, Chris and Just Godley are a couple, but I'll be honest, I'm not sure whether they are a heterosexual couple, like, as in but Chris is a woman and Just, I want to presume, is a man, but I all through the book you were never really clear about that. But no, sorry, in case the authors themselves watch this video, but really, but this book is all about reincarnation. It's all about the process behind reincarnation, how you know how someone can potentially regress themselves. And you can get it on Amazon. It is not too expensive at all. I think it's within 100 or 200 bucks, that's it. So it's called Reincarnation, and it's quite fascinating. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.